What's up, folks? Welcome back to the East Coast Kitchen. We've got a doozy of a recipe today. We are doing fish tacos. This recipe alone will keep away the winter blues. Let's get going on this recipe. First things first, grab a red cabbage and we're gonna shred that up. Add that into a bowl or a jar and squeeze in fresh lime juice, a little sprinkle of salt, some olive oil, and just let all of that sit off to the side. Next up, we're gonna kick on with the mango salsa. I love this stuff. It's super delicious with fish. Dead easy to make. All you're gonna do is dice up some mango, a little bit of red pepper, some onion, a dash of salt, a little olive oil, some cilantro. Chuck that into the fridge to get it nice and cool while we kick on to the main event, the fish. Not complicated here. All you're gonna wanna do is grab some haddock or a little bit of cod, lay it out, season with olive oil, salt, paprika, and a little bit of cumin. Next up, what I like to do is cube that fish up into little bites. Then we're gonna pan sear it over medium heat. About 2 minutes per side, and then boom, we are done. Time to assemble these tacos. Take your taco shell, a little bit of crushed avocado, then on with that beautiful pickled cabbage. The fish is up next, that mango salsa, fresh radish, a little bit of cilantro, and you are off to the races. You are gonna love this recipe, dead easy, a total fan favorite. I really hope you enjoy. Until next time, peace out.